check it. This is another video I'm gonna make. Hiding your Accessport wires. So for me, I don't have a mount or anything. I just bought a Amazon like windshield mount. I did put the mount it comes with right there, but I don't like that section, so I like having it right up there. So what I'm gonna do is I got it plugged into the OBD2 port down here, right under here. I'm gonna run the wire. I tucked it behind this plastic piece, right? It just literally just like slid right behind. Now I'm gonna bunch everything up. I dropped this little pocket to go on my stripper money when I go to the strip club. I dropped this little container. It's just 2 tabs on each side. I used a screwdriver on this side and then to pop this side down, and then I stuck my hand and slid it down. So now I popped the panel off. This panel goes right here like this. Took it off. Use a flathead and then also just a trim tool just to edge it up, pop it out. It goes into these 3 clips right here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bunch these wires up, zip tie them, boom, and then run the cable enough slack just right here, just like that, so that it'll look like this. So if I ever need to unplug it, I can unplug it if I need to do whatever, but that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll get back to you once I do a few more things. Push this container back, little cubby, so it still opens. But now, so that the wire doesn't get caught, I zip tied it up. So that pushes back all the way, but I'm just going to put the wire, or put the wires, literally right next to it. So now I still have enough slack right here, and this is all tucked away into there, so you'll never know. Boom. I know there's mounts that swap it out to put right here on the defroster. I'm choosing not to use that. I mean, I tried ordering it, but it was out of stock. So BMP Tuning was like, oh, we don't have that in stock. So I was like, all right, fuck it, not gonna get it. But yeah, easy solution, you know, to have it up here. You just gotta have the wire right there. So no big deal. All right, let me put this panel back on. Panel's back on. It's a little tighter because you got the wire sticking out. I mean, it sticks out right here, but when I close the door, boom. So now the Accessport sits right there. Now I'm gonna adjust this, you know, have it boom, and probably, I mean, the wire doesn't bother me right there. I'd rather deal with it being right here like this than having it under my feet or anything like that. So I'm gonna probably leave that mount over there, but for now, that's how it looks. Much cleaner. All right. Whew. All right, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification on the side, so whenever I upload new videos, you guys get a notification about it. And yeah, catch me in the next one.